Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I'll show you how to easily create a QR code with Wix. So guys, for this one we will just use the Wix website, and in that there's a little tool that will actually help us to create a QR code. So for this just type in Wix create QR code like that, and then just make sure to navigate to the official Wix page. As you can see there's a tool, so not the support, the second one. And as you can see guys, we have a QR code generator, so you can create custom QR codes for free and use them to place on your website. So create a QR code, just press on the button. And in here guys, as you can see, you can create a QR code. So in your choice, you'll have what kind of content type you want to create the QR code for. So for example, you can choose text, URL, which I will use, phone, SMS, etc. Right? So let us just choose the URL and just now decide on which kind of link you want to use. Maybe you have some community or something that you wish to add the QR code for, and then place it onto your website, and yeah, just have it handy so that the people can scan it and maybe join some social media, maybe some Instagram or Discord or whatever. And also guys, as well, be sure to also log in with your account. First, as you can see, on the top right, I'm already logged in, because without your account you won't be able to generate. And yeah, just paste the link in here. So for example, I'm just gonna paste the link to our YouTube channel, for example, right, Browser Media. And guys, now in terms of the customization, you can select a size. So I would say this is big enough size pretty much for anything. As you can see, when I pasted the link, the QR code is now changed and created. And now guys, just press on the download. And as you can see now, you have the choices. You can choose the three versions of the extensions of the files of your images, PNG, SVG, and JPEG. Let us go with the first one. Okay, as you can see, QR code is now downloaded. I can also open it up, and as you can see, this is our QR code. And now guys, if you want to add it to your website, you can just go ahead into your Wix website editor and just upload this image to your media and then add it to your website easily. It's pretty simple. So that's how you do it guys. Hopefully you enjoy. If it helped, press like on the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.